Difference between PHP and Python for web development. Choosing the right programming language is crucial for your web development projects. Today, we're comparing two of the most popular options, PHP and Python. Which one should you choose for your next project? Let's break it down. First, let's look at what these languages are known for. PHP has been around since 1995 and is specifically designed for web development. It's the backbone of many traditional websites and content management systems like WordPress. On the other side, we have Python, a general-purpose language famous for its simplicity and readability. Python's web development frameworks, like Django and Flask, have gained popularity for building scalable, secure web applications. When it comes to syntax, Python takes the lead with its clear, easy-to-read code. This makes it a favorite among beginners and those who want to write cleaner code. PHP, while more complex in syntax, has improved over the years with updates like 7 Philippine pesos and 8, which have made it faster and more efficient. Speaking of performance, 8 Philippine pesos brought significant improvements in speed, making it competitive with Python. However, Python's extensive libraries and versatility give it an edge for more data-centric applications. What about security? Both languages can be secure if coded properly, but Python is often seen as more secure due to its design philosophy and robust frameworks like Django, which comes with built-in protection against common security threats. When should you use PHP? If you're working on traditional web projects, especially if they involve server-side rendering, PHP might be your go-to. On the other hand, if you're looking at projects involving data science, machine learning, or need a simple yet powerful backend, Python is the way to go. In conclusion, if you're focused on standard web development tasks, PHP is a reliable, tried-and-true choice. For versatility and modern development practices, Python has the upper hand. Both are great, but the choice depends on your project needs and long-term goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and comment below on which language you prefer for your web development projects. Choose wisely and keep coding.